Prehistorical part, proto-historical part, and historical part. We will discuss with relation into the national history and Jharkhand history. So tell me now, if you have gone through the Jharkhand history, then what is the earliest evidence of Jharkhand? Hmm? Okay, Asura. So what was the time period? Mesolithic. Okay, very good. Anything else? No? Okay, we'll start. Actually, the thing is that, first of all, we have to understand, have you gone through the whole syllabus of JPSC? Right? In the syllabus, where this question has been asked about the Stone Age or the ancient history of Jharkhand. Have you gone through the syllabus? No. Okay. Try to understand. That in prehistory period, we study about the archaeological, as we discussed earlier, evidences. So the thing is that, if we'll talk about the archaeological evidences of Jharkhand, what does it mean? Means the stone tools that has been found in Jharkhand region. Try to understand in a way, Stone Age is also divided in three or four parts. We can understand in different parts, but the thing is that we would start from Paleolithic period, right? So Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and then Neolithic after that. Boliye? Chalcolithic, right? Chalcolithic. What is Chalcolithic? What is Chalcolithic? Copper and Chalco means copper. Lithic means stone. Lith means stone, Means the copper and stone tools both were in use. Okay? So the thing is that we'll try to understand that how these, I would say that this thing started. If I'll ask you that the megalith and microlith, have you heard about megalith and microlith? No. Megalith stone tools, microlith stone tools. Okay. Means what? Means that the stone tools which were bigger in size, that is known as megaliths, and which are small in size, that are microliths. Why you all are so late? Okay. Yes. Try to come on the right time. Sleepy. Okay. So try to understand. If someone will ask you that when was fire discovered?
Fire discovered in Upper Paleolithic age.
How you come to that conclusion? I'm asking you that how you come to that conclusion that it was in Paleolithic or Upper Paleolithic. I'm just trying to understand that how you're thinking. Actually, that should be the thing, that how you are thinking, that is the main thing. Means that try to understand that if the stone tools were made, what does it mean? Stone tools were made, it means it that it must be cut down. If the stone were being cut down by a stone, getting the point what I'm saying, right? So we can say that from the Paleolithic age itself, the fire was discovered. Getting the point? If someone will ask you that in which period there might be megalith and microlith. Megalith means the bigger stone tools could have been earlier. Try to understand. If we are evolving, what does it mean? Means the stone tools are also evolving. Means the bigger tools were in Paleolithic age. After that, the sharper, the pointed. Getting the point? It means in Mesolithic or in Neolithic. In Neolithic, might have been, try to understand, that stone tools like could have been hands of bone, wood. Getting the point? Hello? Getting the point? It means that the stone tools were being evolved. So on the basis of that, we can understand that how the stone tools were evolving. And after some time, what happened? That the copper was found. Getting the point? The first metal that was discovered was copper. But as today, we are using stone tools also. We are using iron tools. We are using copper, bronze, brass, everything. Why we don't say today as stone age or copper age or iron age? Any idea? बोलिए. Anyone? Okay. Anything else? Try to think. If you will think, I'm sure that you will not have to memorize anything. I'm saying you will be able to solve the questions by like just thinking about these things. So tell me. So one more thing is there, that which is like could be said today. Now what age can be today? Okay, अब आ रही है? ठीक है. So tell me that what age is today? Can we say that AI age? Can we say that digital age or AI age? Getting the point what I'm saying? So the thing is that means something dominates at some period of time. Means at that time, the stone tools were dominating, and that was the what? Evidence of evolution. And after that, when copper was found, then the copper was dominating. After that, copper actually is, I would say that it is found with tin. Then it became bronze. Getting the point? Then after that, after some time, the iron was discovered. The period was known as Iron Age. What is the period of Iron Age? Do the IBC people know about? No. So what is the age? Vedic period? Good. Yes. Good. Getting the point now? So the thing is that, try to think in that way. Like if you study the history of Jharkhand, then you have to think in that manner, because the indigenous people live in a huge number in Jharkhand. And they were using different types of tools. But you know that we don't have that much evidences of tools in Jharkhand itself. But there are something you can understand the history. You can understand that what we're going through at that time. That is the main thing. Getting the point? Yes, right. So this is actually the prehistory period, and archaeological evidences are there. In Jharkhand, there are so many evidences actually have been found, and there are so many places like in Hazaribagh, in Ranchi, in Palamu, in Santhal Pargana, in Dumka. There are so many stone tools have been found there. After that, when we come to the proto-history period, proto-history means IVC, we can say. IBC. What does it mean? Indus Valley civilization. But what does it mean? Like proto-history, that the script are available, but it is not deciphered till now. What the point means? The writing has been started. Getting the point? After that, we come to the historical period or early historical period, that is Vedic period. So Vedas were written at that time, or just it was Shruti. You know that Vedic. Have you heard about these words, Shruti, Smriti? Yes, very good. So try to respond, na? You know. So the thing is that, like in Vedic period, actually we divide into two different things. One is Shruti and another is Smriti. Shruti means listen, and Smriti means memorize. You know. So the thing is that in historical period, that was not written actually. That is not written. That was spreading just orally. Sir, have you heard about like the marriage song that actually is being sung by the women? Is it written anywhere? No. But still, they actually don't know about these things. Getting the point? Means it is transmitted orally. So the thing is that means anything that is transmitted orally at that time, that was Vedas, like 4 Vedas are there. I'm actually considering that all of you know about those things, you know. And if you don't know, then I will tell you. And actually, I'm saying you please don't try to like hesitate or just feel like that कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा, कुछ और समझ में आ रहा है. एकदम just try to be free, try to be like friendly with me, okay? That's it. Okay. So when we come to this period, from there, that is known as Vedas, and after that, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and Upanishads, not Mahajanpadas. Not Upanishad ki baad Mahajanpada. We'll talk about that also. Means why I'm saying this, because have you heard about Aitareya Brahman? What is the significance of that with related to Jharkhand? Yes. Getting the point what I'm saying? So first is like Veda, then Brahmana, and then Aranyakas. What is Aranyaka? Aranya means forest. Means the text which are written in jungles. Getting the point what I'm saying? But at that time, as we know that it was just Shruti. Means they were actually residing in jungles and they were observing the things around them. Right? Observing the things, understanding the things, that what is happening around me. And after that, they spreaded something which is later known as Aranyak. After that, Upanishad. What does it mean? What does it mean? Upanishad means, very good, sit close to Guru. Okay, by learning, like just if you want to learn something, then you have to sit close to your gurus. That is the meaning of Upanishad. So later on, if we'll try to relate these things with Jharkhand, then we will be able to understand that why I was discussing this thing. What the point? So actually, the mention of Jharkhand had started from Brahmanas or Aranyakas, and after that, Upanishads. Getting the point? So these are the evidences of Jharkhand region, I would say, from the early history. Getting the point? So the question is being asked from, in prelims, asked from prehistory, that is, what are the places where the Paleolithic stone tools or Mesolithic stone tools have been found. Got the point? How many questions are being asked from ancient history in prelims? 5 questions. Actually, I'm talking about the syllabus. So 5 history, 5 questions, 5 from medieval and 5 from modern, right? So maybe 1 or 2 questions maybe from here. Got the point? But the thing is that, should we memorize all those things? No, try to understand that how it evolved, and later on, like if there is any place which is in news, okay, like excavations are continuously like being done by the Archaeological Survey of India. Getting the point? So if any places which are in news, that is most important. Got the point what I'm saying? If, like, are you going through the newspapers daily? Which newspaper? बताओ, नहीं पढ़ रहे इसका मतलब दैनिक भास्कर पढ़ रहे हो? कोई नहीं, it's okay, you'll get the news from there also, it's okay, good. So the thing is that is most important. After that, there are very few places which are like important regarding Jharkhand, and after that we'll go towards the like this period. And when you'll study that according to the syllabus, like Munda governance system, Nagvanshi governance system, what is the period of Munda governance system? Around, okay, what is the evidence? Anything else? Anything else? Kuch nahi. Like if we know about the Nagvanshi kingdom, that it was started in 1st century, so before that, at least we can say that. And how we come to know about Nagvanshi governance system or Nagvanshi kingdom? Yes, that is called Kursinama of Nagvanshi kingdoms. Have you heard about that? No? Okay, actually, the thing is that, that the lineage, that is family tree, we always like make by, like for us. So the thing is that the same thing, the lineage tree is made by the rulers. So there is a book in which everything is mentioned, that who, like Pratap Rai came after whom, these things. So it is actually from 1st century. So got the point? That is prehistory and historical period and proto-history. At the time of proto-history, we can say that, like when the IBC was there, like what do you think that in the Jharkhand region, what was happening at the time? Do we have any evidences of that? अगर आज हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, what does it mean? Means हमारे कोई तो forefathers रहे होंगे. Getting the point? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आसमान से हम लोग आए. So the thing is that, means definitely there might be, there must be one of our forefathers. So the thing is that at that period of time, we don't have any evidences, no doubt. The earliest evidence of cultivation of rice is, tell me the period around. Yes, in India. No one. I'm just asking the period, okay? What could be the period of that? No one. Around 7,000 to 5,000 BC. Getting the point? why I'm saying you this, because we just have only the evidence of that. After that, what happened, we don't know. How we come to know about the history with the evidences, and we have the evidence of cultivation of rice, but after that we don't have anything. Getting the point what I'm saying? So try to think like that. So we don't have any evidences after that. So the evidence come after that, that is stone tools. And actually the thing is that when the proto-history started, means the IBC was there. So we have the actually evidence like in the region of India and Pakistan, Western India and Pakistan, IBC. Okay, so what is the easternmost site of IBC? Anybody? Meerut district, yes, that is the site of Alamgirpur. Alamgirpur. And the southernmost, Dhanbad, Maharashtra. Means what? Means if we draw a line, then here is Dhanbad, here is Meerut. Means we don't have any evidences of Jharkhand. Getting the point? And the earliest evidences that we get, that is from Brahmana, Atre Brahmana. And that is the evidence of this region, not the name. And the Jharkhand name was first used. पूरा याद किए हो फैक्ट्स? ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, फैक्ट्स याद कर लेते हैं बहुत सारे. क्या है बताइए? अर्लीस्ट एविडेंस ऑफ झारखंड, दैट इज 13th century copper plate. Yes, 13th century copper plate. Actually, you know that the writing had evolved at that time. Means the writing was being done on the copper plate, on stones, right? On the wall of the caves, on the pillars. And after that, the writing was being done on the leaves, on the bark of the tree. Got the point? And after that, when the paper came, then we write. And after that, this digital board and this pen. Getting the point? So these are the evolutions. Okay? Okay. So now we'll go further. We'll connect it with Jharkhand specially, and we'll try to understand. Actually, since it is my introductory class, so I wouldn't dictate that much that please note it down, please remember these things. No, I don't do these kind of things. I just try to make you understand. I will just try to make you understand that how you can memorize or how you can remember these things, how you can recollect these things. And then it will be easy for all of you, to recollect these things. What's the point? Recollect. Good. If anyone will have any kind of problem, then don't hesitate to tell me, okay? Take care. Yes. Bilingual भी बताऊं? कोई इश्यू नहीं है? नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था कि मुझे कहा गया था कि इंग्लिश बैच है, बट आई नो द कंडीशन ऑफ झारखंड एंड बिहार, सो इट्स ओके, विल डिस्कस. गुड. ओके, गुड. हिंदी में क्या होता है मैं बताऊं थोड़ा सा इनसे. वर्ड में बताऊंगा, वर्ड इंग्लिश में लिखूंगा, आई डिक्टेट इन हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ. विल इट बी कंफर्टेबल? गुड, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, बहुत किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रही होगी क्या? आ रही थी? मुझे बताना ये चीज, मुझे बताना. ओके.